Hello everyone. I hope everybody is doing fine. This is Dr. Jyoti from Jaipur, Rajasthan. As you all know that we organize free dental checkup camps regularly, and this is the year end, and again we are celebrating National Dentist Day on 24th of December. Along with we are continue uh, completing 4 years of our clinic in Jaipur, Rajasthan, and complete total journey of 12 years of my clinic, Dr. Jyoti's Dental Care Center. So you all are invited. Be a part of this celebration. It's very good that this year is coming on Sunday, so you can book appointment whatever you are coming, which time you want, because checkup camp is morning 10 o'clock to evening 7 o'clock, but better just take appointment or call or our clinic number, or you can take appointment also from the website. You can download whichever link I'm sharing with the Instagram or Facebook, whatever. In the story also you will get a link. So just make sure that you are making appointment before coming in that free dental checkup camp, or either you can call me on particular clinic number whichever given in uh, through my message or my Facebook or Instagram. So people who didn't came last year also I have invited. They come again and be a part, because every 3 month or 4 month we organize free dental checkup camps, but is dividing in particular category. But right now it's a free checkup camp for everyone. So from children to adults to older people, everyone can be a part of it. Okay, bye bye. Take care.